In this video, we are going to see how to create and manage projects in Nexleon CRM. First, need to log in as an admin. Go to the projects. From this new button, we can add a new project. We can specify the name. We can add the customer, calculate the progress based on the task, or we can manually set the progress. We can also define the billing type, that is on fixed rate, hourly basis, or task based. We can also add the status for that project, total cost of the project, estimated hours we can specify. Also, we can assign staff members for that project. Here we can add the tags and description of the project. After saving, the project will be listed on the projects tab. The project will be listed in this list. So in here we have the statuses, and we can toggle the list according to the status of the project, like in progress, on hold, cancelled, or finished. From here we can search the project. We can also export into Excel, CSV, PDF, and print format. We can also view the project. We can view the project progress. We can add the project task and assign it to the members. We can also add timesheets. Also, we can add milestones on that project. We can upload the images and PDF files or any kind of document that supports the project. We can also have the discussions between the members of the project. From here we can see the Gantt chart. Also, we can add the tickets related to the project. In contracts, we can specify the contracts that is particularly related to this particular project. In sales, we can view the sales related data. In notes, we can provide the notes related to this project. Also, we can view the activities related to the project. Also, we can invoice the project. In more button, we can pin the project, edit project, copy project, and we can update the status of the project, also export the project. From this we can delete the project. So this is how we manage the projects in Nexleon CRM.